Here na. Yeah, I'm not doing it with Kusha.
ऐसे होता है ना जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स मिलियंस नहीं पहुंचते उनके साथ ऐसे होता है नाइंसाफी
मैं नहीं करूंगा इसके साथ।
इसको बोलते हैं नाइंसाफी।
कहाँ बैठना है? इधर।
Rolling.
Is my dress looking nice? Yeah, okay, cool.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you. Is my hair okay? Frizz?
Rolling. And action.
Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
Social media changed my life. I mean, I am a fashion influencer.
इंडिया में 68 करोड़ से ज्यादा एक्टिव इंटरनेट यूजर्स हैं जो ऑन एन एवरेज 6 घंटे इंटरनेट पे बिताते हैं। So when there's so much demand, we got to supply the content, right, Santu?
Absolutely. The first batch of creators जो actually influencers बने थे वो फैशन ब्लॉगर्स।
जब मैंने आज से 3-3.5 साल पहले कंटेंट बनाना शुरू किया था, आई डिड नॉट नो कि मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर बन जाऊंगी और ये मेरा एक लेजिटिमेट करियर होगा। एंड आई डिड नॉट हैव समथिंग लाइक अ मिंत्रा फैशन सुपरस्टार।
अगर सुबह उठ के अपने फोन को उठा के तुम हे गाइस करते हो तो इन्फ्लुएंसर हो तुम।
नॉट रियली। अगर आप सुबह उठ के हे गाइस करते हो तो आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर है, लेकिन अगर आप हे गाइस करके लोगों को हे गाइस करने में मजबूर करते हैं तब आप इन्फ्लुएंसर।
Fashion influencers have to be storytellers, so fashion influencing and storytelling go hand in hand.
It's become an aspirational job. Everybody wants to become a content creator. Everybody wants to become an influencer.
Remember, to stand out in the virtual world, you need 4 E's. They have been my mantra and they'll have to be your mantra in Myntra Fashion Superstar.
What are the 4 E's?
Eyeballs.
Entertainment,
Engagement.
emotion,
Wait, guys, how could we forget the most important word? The F word.
Fashion. Alphabet F may come after E, but yahan it's the game changer. Welcome to Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3, a show that is in search for the next big fashion influencer, someone who will win a contract worth 50 lakhs from Myntra Studio. This is a platform by Myntra, the fashion expert, to launch one creator into the big league of the influencing world. Fashion is my forte. But in the virtual world of today, to ensure that we all get the E's and F on point in Myntra Fashion Superstar, I have invited 4 dynamic personalities to join me on this panel this season. The content queen herself, Kusha Kapila, the creator of influencer Santu Misra, the inimitable influencer Ankush Bahugana, and the popular beauty and fashion influencer Ashna Shah. This season is unique क्योंकि हम रियल लाइफ में वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड के अंदर रहते हैं, तो अब रियलिटी टीवी को भी वर्चुअल करना पड़ेगा, है ना? Hello. Look at this beautiful lounge. Hello. Welcome to the Myntra Glamorous Lounge.
Hi to Manipur and hi to your hair.
You like my hair?
It's a separate entity.
Oh, right. But look at this. How cool is this space?
It's
I love
beautiful.
this.
So cool.
I just want to say that this space is faboosh.
Faboosh? Now
Yeah.
what is faboosh? What does that mean?
Faboosh is fab with a little bit of oomph. It's just like old to say lit.
Very chuggy. Thank you so much.
No more terms at
One
all. It's
second.
very chuggy.
Chuggy is what?
You know, the millennials call the older people boomers. और अब जो Gen Z के जो महाशय लोग
Gen Z?
हैं, वो अब millennials को चुगी कहते हैं।
तो चुगी?
We are chuggy.
चुगी
We were all
boomer.
chuggy.
अच्छा।
और आप?
Millennial.
मैं Gen Z हूँ।
अच्छा, cool.
अच्छा।
मुझे लग रहा है 10 दिनों के बाद I would have changed.
Yeah, you'll be a new person. You'll be Gen Z after
Yeah,
this.
Gen Z हो
Yeah,
जाएगा.
yeah.
But I'm really happy to be with all of you all. Super talented panelists जो जानते हैं influencing
बस,
और
बस,
influencer world को, जैसे मैं इतनी अच्छी तरह से नहीं जानता.
इतना humble brag मत कीजिए, आपके जो Instagram पे followers हैं ना, हम सबसे मिला के ज़्यादा हैं।
Oh God.
पर हमने 12 creators choose करे हैं which were very distinct from each other, which also have a very individual style. I would want to see one of them on the map.
Those were tough.
Absolutely.
Because entries इतनी ज़्यादा थी.
That's true.
And to choose these 12 was a tough one.
Bring on the rhythm, the magic feeling. This is our best life. I think we're living our best life.
so beautiful. Like every spot is so Instagrammable. Like you can take a picture in any corner, and oh my god, I'm so excited to create like amazing posts.
Here we would be doing
This is
all the
our
वो
workstation.
workstation
Our
अपना.
work-
अब ये नहीं पता कौन कहाँ बैठेगा, but most of the काम हमारा यही है.
Dude, I'm so excited to work on all of this.
कहाँ से लोग आए हैं, एकदम अलग तरीके के लोग हैं, एकदम अलग अलग पर्सनालिटीज है. मजा आएगा देखने के लिए और सीखने के लिए, सबसे. एंड आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी फन.
To be honest, with this show, I feel all 12 will make quite a place for themselves. And it's not even that. The winner gets 50 lakh worth contract with Myntra Studios. And
That's fantastic.
so cool. Even if they don't win, they still get
They still
very
get
good
an
following.
audience. They still, everybody
Yes.
gets an audience.
Wait a minute, what is that?
What is that?
Oh, ये वो है.
Talent alert, talent alert, talent alert. I'm not talking about all of you. अभी तक I haven't seen you in action, तो अभी मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकती. I'm talking about myself. My friends call me Riya, so you can call me Litty. मेरा काम है तुम सबको रियलिटी चेक देते रहना. You need me more than I need you. So get used to it. Because this is Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 in association with Varanga and beauty partner MyGlam.
इस शो का फॉर्मेट भी इतना खूबसूरत है बिकॉज हर एपिसोड में एक थीम है. हम उनको चैलेंजेस देंगे, हम उनको उनका कंटेंट देखने का मौका मिलेगा, उनका पोस्ट देखने का मौका मिलेगा. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज सब वर्चुअल है. देयर विल बी नो पर्सनल बायस, राइट. हम क्रिएटर द पर्सन से ज़्यादा क्रिएटर द कंटेंट से मिल रहे हैं. सो वी गेट टू इंटरैक्ट विद देयर कंटेंट व्हिच इज व्हाट वी डू ऑन सोशल मीडिया, राइट.
So likewise on virtual world also we'll be kind of liking
Like and share and comment. Yeah.
So guys, on this note, I'm very excited. Are you all excited to see our 12 creators?
It's time to focus your attention to the Myntra screen.
All right.
What's up?
Hello.
Look at y'all, you're looking so good. Welcome to Myntra Fashion Superstar.
Thank you. Thank you.
How are you all feeling?
I want to say, Jinal, I really love what you're wearing. It looks very effortless.
Thank you so much.
I love the bandana as well. So cool.
Thank you so much. So this is a DIY outfit. I've given it a nickname, Pinterest, because I've used a lot of pins and it is very interesting.
अच्छा, I want to tell you कि ये जो DIY का मतलब है, do it yourself, तो आपने ये खुद बनाया है.
And this is a paper bag.
अच्छा, oh, how creative.
I can't believe the way I'm falling for you. You got me feeling I don't know what to do.
अच्छा देवांश, ये आपने इतनी ज्वेलरी क्यों पहनी हुई है?
Like I love junk jewelry.
Okay.
And like I have sourced it from various markets. These are the spikes bangles.
अच्छा, और आपको ब्लिंग बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरी तरह. आपने भी इतना सीक्वेंस पहना हुआ है अपनी शर्ट पे.
Yes, I like this is like I customize it for myself and
अरे, अच्छा.
I love to create my own design ताकि मेरी personal style है वो एकदम बाहर आए कि it presents like what kind of person I am.
That's exactly what we're looking for.
All right.
Because for me it's very important कि आप अपना एक फैशन, अपना एक फैशन नैरेटिव और एक अपनी फैशन स्टोरी बनाएं.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much.
So this pink kurta is Manish Malhotra approved?
This pink kurta is Manish Malhotra approved. I'm not so sure about the jewelry though. Yeah, but kurta to for sure.
Priyam, I love your makeup.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're so looking gorgeous. I think you're beautiful.
Yeah, can't stop looking at you, Priyam.
I want to say hi to my Northeastern sisters, Priyam and Zian. Come on, represent the blue hair, everything. Love it, love it, love it, love it.
Zian, I want to say that कि जो आपकी बेरी कैप है और ये off-white shirt is reminding me a lot about Kajol of Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge.
Gen Z, like Gen Z
Yeah, the
Kajol.
holographic is really cool. I love your look. So अभी तो बहुत एक mutual appreciation हो चुका है. We've all met each other, we've praised each other. But I want to say this is a serious show. Fashion is crucial, style is crucial. What you put out there, your content is most important, right? We've chosen you 12 creators, but आप सब में से एक जीतेगा. Only one will be the Myntra Fashion Superstar and win a contract worth 50 lakhs from Myntra Studio. So remember guys, this is going to be a lot of fun, but it's going to be a lot of hard work. We are really looking forward to seeing fantastic content. क्या था?
Faboosh content.
Faboosh content.
You know how this is going to happen, right? आपको open-ended brief मिलेंगे, आपको उस पे content बनाना है, and you have the freedom to choose. There is freedom to make whatever content you want. You want to create a picture, you want to make a video, you want to make a boomerang, you want to make a longer video. I mean, do whatever you want. Give us all of you. We really want you to bring the best version of yourself for us because we are hungry for it, we are here for it, and we are living for all of you because you all look so good.
आपको हर पोस्ट पे स्कोर किया जाएगा. Each panelist gets 1 like in each episode and we can watch your content and based on what we see, if we like what we see, we will give you a like.
So you all know कि हम सबसे एक like मिलेगा, 1 like, 1
या
like.
नहीं मिलेगा.
या नहीं मिलेगा, and it's
Correct.
5 likes. But because we have the OG of fashion, and he brings the fashion to fashion, इनके पास एक super power है, which is called the M like. अगर आप कुछ ऐसा fashion लाएंगे to the table that really makes us go wow and engages us and influences us, then you get that M like. And trust me, you want to win that M like.
Also, there's going to be a like vote जिसमें आपके सारे likes accumulate होंगे, and you will go up the like vote with that M like, and also you will be uploading all of this content on Myntra Studio, और हम लोग होंगे आपकी audience. Myntra is a hub for 5,000 plus top brands. There are like so many things that you can get. Yeah.
Also, I wanted to tell you, Myntra Studio is home to India's top beauty and fashion influencers, where India's top beauty and fashion influencers curate the latest trends. Have fun and get inspired.
Because we're live right now, but when you post content, we're only going to see your content. We're not going to like meet you or talk to you.
We're not meeting.
You'd only have an hour and a half to create your content.
What are you talking?
That's a challenge.
Take it as a challenge.
We'll try. That's a challenge.
So guys, every post matters. Because if we don't like you, then we can unfollow you as well. So remember guys, this is going to be a lot of fun, but it's going to be a lot of hard work. You guys have to create content and we want it to be fantastic.
All the best, guys.
Bye. See you. Bye, everyone.
Yeah. That is the only thing I'm tensed about right now because I don't know how to do that because I take weeks. I don't know how I'm gonna do it in 1.5 hours. It's too less. It's the biggest challenge here, I think.
So guys, this show's format is that we have to give them a brief, right?
Yeah.
For every post. So what do y'all think that we should give them as their first content brief?
You know, I really want to know who they are.
So I
Correct.
think something where their personality shines
Yeah.
through.
Yeah.
We see their
Yeah.
personal style.
So, dress how you want to be addressed.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Sounds great, and I think all these factors will come through.
Yeah.
You know, with this line. I think that's a good brief.
आज आपके पहले टास्क का पहला थीम आपको जल्द ही स्क्रीन पे बताया जाएगा. सो गेट योर ए गेम ऑन बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ टफ वन.
Okay, wow. This is.
Dress how you want to be addressed.
Oh my god! blanked out. Dress how you want to be addressed.
Exactly. What do you address yourself as?
हमें बता दूंगी तो फिर competition कैसे रहेगा?
Yeah, this is going to be really exciting.
This task is good because everybody's different personality is going to come out. Because everybody's going to think in a different way. Stress levels high.
तुम्हें कुछ आइडिया तुम क्या करने वाली हो? पोस्ट करने वाली हो या वीडियोस?
I think कि transition is the game nowadays, guys. Gen Z generation आ गया है और transition में तो खेलना होता है, उसमें तो मज़ा होता है. तो मैंने 6 पॉइंटें बना ली है. One man army मेरा थीम है. आगे जाके मैं बताती हूँ आगे क्या होने वाला है. चलो पहले हम लोग कपड़े देख लेते हैं.
I definitely want some rhinestones. I would definitely want to see some kind of gowns. I definitely need some lal red kapre taki, you know, I just want to show my tradition and culture as well. So I have thought something about that as well.
I have thought of something that has 4 looks. So pulling that off is going to be a challenge, and now I need someone's help with my challenge. So I'm going to try asking the other contestants if they'll be open to helping me. I really hope it works out. Queen Andrew, would you be able to help me with my task?
I mean, I would love to, but the thing is, look at this. I'm gonna have to shoot in
Okay.
okay.
तुम wardrobe देख रहे हो? Walk-in closet है ये. मेरा तो ड्रीम था, बचपन से ड्रीम था एक walk-in closet में walk in करो. और ये तुम options देख रहे हो, मतलब ये देख के कंफ्यूज हो जाए इंसान बंदा कि मतलब कौन सा आइडिया पहले उठाए.
जूते एक हो गए, स्नीकर्स, हील्स, फ्लैट्स. आई थिंक हो ही गए. मुझे सिर्फ एक्सेसरीज चाहिए एंड देन वी कैन गो फ्रॉम हियर. हम निकल सकते हैं.
ये एक हैट उठा लेते और फिर ये वाला भी ले लेते. अब हो गया हमारे लुक्स कंप्लीट.
Look at this, flared, sheer trousers. I guess we've got the looks now, and I guess it's time to now go and create a masterpiece. Let's go.
I have my outfit sorted. I just have to speak to the videographer to see if we can pull off what I have in mind.
थोड़ा समय है तो जल्दी जल्दी जाएंगे, उनको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे एंड शूट की शुरुआत करेंगे. गाइस 1.5 घंटा है.
शॉट ऐसे ही चाहिए. भाग रही हूँ, बैंग एंड देन आई एम फॉलिंग डाउन. ऐसा चाहिए. एग्जैक्टली.
फर्स्ट का सेटअप मुझे ऐसा चाहिए कि घर का सेटअप कि यार मैं इंडियन नारी हूँ तो मैं घर में ही रहती हूँ.
नहीं, सेकंड वाले में क्या है आपका?
सेकंड वाले में मुझे ग्लैम टीवा वाइब्स है. तो पंखा, हवा, ड्रामा.
आई वांट टू फील कि मैं मतलब आई एम कनेक्टेड विद द कैमरा. जैसे ये मेरा ऑडियंस है, ठीक है, एंड यू आर माई ऑडियंस. मैं ऐसे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, मैंने ऐसे कैमरा पकड़ के ट्राई करा कि आई एम ट्राइंग द हैट. मैंने ऐसे हैट पहनी लाइक दैट.
जनरली सब ग्रीन स्क्रीन में शूट नहीं करें. द फर्स्ट वन शूटिंग इन ग्रीन स्क्रीन.
फर्स्ट में मेरा फेस ड्रॉप होगा, सेकंड में आई विल बी कॉन्शियस, एंड देन थर्ड पे आई एम बीइंग लाइक क्लोज आउटफिट लाइक व्हाट टू डू टाइप लाइक ऐसा होगा.
हेलो.
I'll show you the transitions I have in mind for my video. You can tell me if this will work or not. This is basically like a 360 turn, and with every turn my outfit changes. And I want like spin transition होता है ना?
स्पिन मेरे पास टर्न टेबल नहीं है स्पिन करने के लिए, तो नहीं होगा.
Okay, the transition I had planned is not working out. अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूँ. I have to think of a whole new concept. जो भी मेरे दिमाग में था सब नहीं, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो मैं बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम में हो गई हूँ.
ये लुक थोड़ा सा नेचुरल रखना है कि मतलब मैं नहा के आई हूँ, एकदम फ्रेश मेकअप लगाया है. अब मैं डिसाइड करी हूँ क्या बनना है आज के दिन. हाउ आई वांट टू बी एड्रेस्ड.
Timing and everything was good, but there was no energy at all. Yeah, rolling. Slightly more right.
This is my second transition. I'm pretty sure you guys have not seen something chaotic like this because you guys only see the final glamour side.
Yeah, that's it. Cool.
ये सब फ्लिकर बोल दीजिए ना, ये सब फ्लिकर लाइक सब ऐसे.
फ्रंट ऑन योर फेस. लाइट थोड़ा आगे लो दादा.
So I'm asking them to make this light into a flicker, turn this into like something like this so it will look more drama and stuff. And yeah, I'm just so excited to see the outcome. Yeah.
रोलिंग एंड अब कहाँ हो? आप मेरे साथ आओगे. रोलिंग एंड एक्शन.
These are looking nice when I'm doing.
इसमें वो है क्या 1:1 का? Yeah. रोलिंग एंड एक्शन.
ऐसे करूँगा तो वो बट लोकेशन भी चेंज होगी उस पर, ये याद रखना.
उसमें लोकेशन भी चेंज होगी.
मतलब
मैच करेगा
हाँ
मैच कैसे करेगा
मैं मैच कैसे करूँगा
I just want one proper shot of like this, doing like this with the crown.
Action.
I just got notified that I have really less time and I have to finish one more look. I am internally screaming, I really need to finish this like ASAP.
Yeah, so that
Yeah. I can go back.
Guys, I have only 10 minutes left and 2 looks, but we're going to pull this off.
And bye. Ready?
Yeah.
Action.
Get dirty. Get dirty. Get dirty. Get dirty. Get dirty. Get dirty.
All right. We are done for the day.
I just need to get this editing done and then yeah, the finished product will be out. I'm excited to edit it and as well as like see what the outcome is. Okay.
कुछ नहीं आया है इसमें.
फिफ्थ हुआ, देन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, देन सारे जो हमारे लुक्स हैं वो एक साइड कोलाज में आएंगे.
बस ये स्निपेट इतना कट करके म्यूजिक ऐड करके फिनिश कर देते हैं.
I'm so stressed out because we're just gonna like, you know, finish the last bits. I just hope that everything is perfect and everything is the way that I've wanted it to be. And I just hope that the judges are impressed with what I've done.
Hope it's going well, everybody. Oh wait, I mean, I hope it has gone well. क्योंकि तुम सबका time तो finish होने वाला है. Tick tock, tick tock. 10, 9, 8, 7.
जाओ अभी मैं मिंत्रा स्टूडियो पे अपलोड कर दूँ.
6, 5, 4, 3,
पोस्ट
2, 1, 0.
डन.
Let's go.
Exciting, no? So मैंने सुना है that all of them are ready with their post and they've uploaded the post as well.
I think it's time to actually see these posts and remember the things we're looking for: entertainment, emotion, engagement and eyeballs, the 4 E's.
And
Ting 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 ting.
I'm like,
Fashion. I love Manish how you're obsessed with M like.
I just hope more than one person gets it.
You're ready to give it to more than one person?
Well, if they deserve it, why not? Guys, ये app और ये the way we are looking into this show and looking at their work virtually, how fab is this?
It's new gen.
Fabulous.
It's a new way to look at things. Let's go with the Myntra Studio platform. Okay, we will go with Nirjal aka Andrew.
Oh,
okay.
One second. Let me open it.
Looking good, huh?
Wow. यार ये तो ऐसे लग रहा है princess. Queen.
I want to introduce you to my alter ego, Queen Andro, a phenom, a limitless being who transcends all societal labels.
Love.
Call me Queen Andro, gender-bending supernova.
Wow.
Impressed already.
I am very.
Call me Queen Andrew.
I just want to watch it. Let's watch it. Yes.
Okay.
Born as Nirjal in this world dominated by patriarchy and heteronormativity. They tried to dim the magic in me, but I chose to go against the grain. I called upon the powers of the divine feminine, and she embraced me with her powers. Address me as queen, 'cause I stand in my limitless existence. I transcend gender. I honor my ancestors. I am vulnerable, fierce, independent, sensitive, nurturing, and empathetic, all at the same time. I honor the goddess in me. Call me Queen Andro.
Wow. Phenomenal.
Wow.
Loved it. Oh my god. Seriously. the competition.
क्या देखा
First impression.
I loved it.
I see a potential
So good.
winner. Aesthetic से लेके कितनी मेहनत करी है edit पे, the sound quality, everything. It's just like you can't stop watching this. This is a video जो मैं replay करके 2-3 बार देखूंगा.
बिल्कुल और ये भी है कि very good you know
Yeah.
creators उनकी VO में
That's
voice
true.
मजेदार नहीं
That's
लगती है
true.
and her voice it just drew और उनका thumbnail देखकर I was like
देखना ये वीडियो ये प्ले करना ही करना.
आशना?
Yeah, I feel like she just fit the theme so well.
Yeah.
Dress how you want
Yeah.
to be addressed was perfection.
It looked like a mini movie to me.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
and this is her, this is Queen, this is
Yeah.
her content. आगे हम जब भी इनका कोई भी content देखेंगे हमें पता है कि उसमें एक Queen element होने वाला है.
And can we all acknowledge कि how the caption doesn't try to explain itself. It's like
Yeah.
जो बोलना था बोल दिया. For me that is fierce.
So sure, so confident. Actually,
Yeah.
guys, I have to tell you all, I am dying to type.
Me too. I'm waiting.
Let's do it.
Let's comment.
Let's comment. I think all of us are commenting.
I've started.
Ashna Shroff is typing. Kusha is. Loved. इकट्ठे.
Okay, I'm going to do my signature comment.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Queen is
sing-
saying, oh my god, I'm screaming inside.
I'm screaming.
Fashion on point. From Manish sir.
You know why? मुझे क्या लगा? She played it right. Like in fact, if you notice, the first image is just that blazer.
Yeah.
Without, I like the fact that there's nothing. in it.
Nothing,
She's
yeah.
trying to say something. She's not distracted you with what she's
Correct.
wearing.
Correct.
Oh.
So I love her clarity. That's why I read fashion on point.
Correct.
Right.
Set to the level.
Yeah, set the level. He set the level. Yeah.
So one by one, we start our likes.
Yeah.
Okay.
You start first. She really deserved all these likes, guys.
She did. She did.
Kill कर दिया, kill कर दिया.
Kill कर दिया.
Next person
Yes.
on the Minta studio is Mr. Ankit.
Oh, interesting.
Rap got me feeling like a new man. I dress crazy because I'm a new gen. Address yourself like you're expressed. Hashtag ANK, hashtag Ankit Vaid, hashtag hip hop, hashtag hip hop India, hashtag vibe with me, hashtag support underground hip hop, hashtag style with me, hashtag street style, hashtag be the brand. I need water. But okay, first impressions, Kusha.
Too many hashtags.
Kusha.
कुछ नहीं रैप सुनाओ रैप सुना रहे हो I
Okay,
wanna
चलो.
hear the rap.
Let's watch it.
Okay, let's watch it. Let's watch it.
ਆਇਆ ਅੰਕਰ ਸਲਾਮ ਵਜੇ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਦੀ ਅਵਾਮ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਲਪਾਲ ਜਿਗਰ ਆਏ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਦਾ ਮਨ ਦਾ ਨਿਹਾਰ ਵੋ 24/7 ਵੀਰੇ ਹਸਲਨ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਖੜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੂਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਬੁਰੇ ਦਿਨ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਚੰਗਾ ਪਰ ਕਿਤੇ ਆਵੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਸਿਨ ਪਰ ਨੇ ਕਹੀ ਯਾਰ ਲਵਾ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਕਿਨ ਕੋਲਡ ਬਲੱਡ ਮੇਰਾ फ्लो पूरा फायर दिल की बातें मेरी रैप में करूँ जाहिर कैसे तुम आओगे बराबरी में मेरे जब जॉब वाले ही तुम्हें ना करते हैं हायर ओ बच्चे साढ़े 12 लगता ना जी घूमदा चंडीगढ़ सिटी नाइट लाइफ मैनू लगदी रंगीन यारां दा मैं यार नहीं हो चुकदे ज़मीर लोड़ पई ते हुंदा मैं हाजिर अब सारे देसी मुंडे है के दिलां दे कातिल रियल इन द सीन मैं इरादियां दा पता होनी चीज ओही मेरी अख जी दे उत्ते रखां ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਰੀਅਲ ਇਨ ਦ ਸੀਨ ਮੈਂ ਇਰਾਦਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੁਣ ਚੀਜ਼ ਉਹੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਅੱਖ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੱਖਾਂ
मेरे को पता नहीं उनको अच्छा लगेगा नहीं बट मुझे तो अच्छा लगा सीरियसली I love it.
I mean Punjabi rap.
Represent. I love it.
I love it. Can I ask something?
Ask.
Is this rap by him? I want to know if like he sang
Yeah,
it.
click
If it's
है.
lip sync, it's one thing. But if it's his composition, then it's
Yeah.
another.
अंकुश बोल रहा है कुछ.
Is this your rap? Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, it's me.
I'm extremely impressed right now.
मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज लगी while I thought he kind of got you moving, like I enjoyed the music. I just feel that बहुत लोग ऐसा नहीं कर रहे. मुझे इसका vibe बहुत अच्छा लगा. I like the whole energy he had.
हाँ.
I like the edit that he did. But मुझे just लग रहा है कि बहुत से लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं.
This is for entertainment for me.
Yeah.
Pure
For sure, for sure.
He's given a comment, guys. He said, "What happened to the other judges?"
उनको टाइम तो दे दे.
अब मेरे से वेट नहीं हो रहा भाई, मेरे से वेट.
पेशेंस नाम की चीज नहीं है. जान सांस ले ले भाई, सांस ले ले.
I love the confidence.
Yeah, even I love the.
You know what? I actually really like it. मैंने फैशन पे ध्यान ही नहीं दिया क्योंकि मैं उनके पंजाबी रैप को सुन रही थी. And I didn't know he's gonna be so cool. मुझे लगा थोड़े ठंडे होंगे.
Okay, let's do likes. Let's do likes.
Let's do likes.
Thank you uncle.
Already a like.
Ashna.
It's fun यार, like मजा आ रहा है. And the suspense.
Is it happening or
He's
not?
typing. I was typing.
Suspense.
I thought he was gonna like it.
Googly.
Not posting a like because I want to see much more from you.
ये पासा पलट गया थोड़ा सा.
I will. Okay, sir. I will try something out of the box next time. For sure.
This is what I want.
Yeah. So casual यार, I like him.
अभी मैं थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो सकता हूँ भाई.
रिलैक्स हो गया.
Okay, Myntra Studio होम पे से हम अगले क्रिएटर की तरफ जा रहे हैं. समिधा.
Oh, nice.
Oh shit.
Read the caption, Kusha.
Samida Singh. My mother told me to be a woman she would look up to, and for her, I had to be a one-woman army.
Nice.
Hashtag one-woman
I
army.
think वो messaging तो हो
This
चुकी
is
है.
honestly too
Hashtag
much.
be independent. Hashtag believe in you. Hashtag the style and more.
I have goosebumps.
I have a single
I have
mother. I have a
expectations.
single parent. Too relatable. Like
Very
I'm
good
already
caption.
emotional.
Very
So
good caption.
yeah.
Okay, should we watch?
Let's watch. I love this shot. Like it's real, you know. I like this mood. Yeah, it's cool.
Working my fingers down to the bone. I've been building my kingdom up on my own. Got
My
a
hair is like
destiny,
really bad.
baby, and a set in stone. Look at me now, look at me now. Slaving away, days a week. I've been shaking all the leaves off the money tree.
No.
And I'm harder
This is
than a
Dilwale.
deer on a winning streak. Look at me now, look at me now. Can I get a witness?
It's a hair.
Can I get an amen before I make you a believer? You gotta dig a little deeper. Bow down and bless you like a preacher. Time to testify because you know I. Have some faith, I'll make you a believer.
मुझे जो कैप्शन लगा वो बहुत इमोशनल लगा, बट मैंने थोड़ा इमोशन को मिस किया.
In the video,
Like,
na?
I expected a little, जैसे आपने जो comment किया when you related to it, तो मुझे लगा I see a little more emotion. I like the fun, I like the cuts a lot, I like the transition a lot, but I just felt that she could have done a lot more with fashion.
With
I
fashion,
liked
maybe,
the way she
yeah.
moved from one look to the other, but each look got more and more disappointing for me.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Like I just the last look I didn't like at all. I mean, this look is, what is this look? And more than that, I just didn't like her hair and makeup. It bothered me.
We just heard that she chose to do her hair and makeup herself instead of going with Daniel Bauer's
see,
team.
I caught that. I caught
And
that.
I think her sense of style has always been a little more loud on color. She loves doing those bright lips.
So she's done
I
this
think
herself, like the
yeah.
makeup.
मैं सोच रही कमेंट करके बोलूं, प्लीज कमेंट तो कर दो. बहुत मेहनत लगी है.
I just wrote fact caption better than the fashion copy that I made of yours.
कमेंट किया बट लाइक.
Okay.
Hair makeup
But you know what?
didn't work.
Written, thank you for the comment, Manish sir. Will try my best next time to impress you with my fashion.
So I said, S, you've got the skills, the fashion, the social media game, but don't hold back. You know you can give us more.
Love it.
Very too sweet.
चलिए अभी likes करें. Likes. Let's look at likes. Come on.
I'm giving it a like.
Through. Oh, it did.
I want to give her a like for the clap. MM?
I am not going to give a like.
KK.
अगला कंटेस्टेंट कौन होगा जिसका वीडियो वहाँ प्ले होगा?
Okay, we will go with Mr. Devansh की तरफ.
Yes. Devansh.
लोग इतने बाल लेकर कहाँ जाएंगे? फैशन स्टेटमेंट तो हम भी बनाएंगे. Hashtag making bold statement.
Okay, let's watch it.
बालों को लेके इतनी टेंशन. Let's show them how it's done.
You're in my domain, got the whole crowd screaming out our name. It's a blowout, it's a hurricane, it's over before you know it. Why you shaking? We're a dynasty in the making. We're the royalty, now we're breaking down the enemy. Move over. The soldiers take a swing, I can take a hit. If we die, it's fine, we live for this.
And that's how you answer them back.
I want to straight away go to Manish. Fashion कैसा था?
Fashion कैसा लगा?
मुझे अच्छा लगा. Not bad.
His statement, his dress, how you want to be addressed is spot on.
Yeah.
He killed it with the caption and the beginning of the video.
Yeah.
Yes.
I also feel that the kind of fashion that he's showing, it's very relatable.
That's
For a lot,
right.
it's very
That's what
wearable.
I'm
Very wearable, very wearable.
बहुत variable,
Because
बहुत
if you want to make a
relatable.
statement like that, जितने भी bald लड़के देख रहे हैं, they would want to dress like
Can I
this.
just say hair is such a touchy topic
Yes.
in India?
Yes, it's
Yes.
very touchy.
Can I also say that I wish he wouldn't have worn the
I
cap?
was just gonna say that. I wish
was
the
such a
first
I
two
wish
looks
was in.
didn't have the cap.
Thank you. I wish.
Just if you're trying to say, don't be shy of being bald. Don't cover it up. He
The
shouldn't
ball
have
is
covered it
sexy,
up.
You made it happen.
Ooh.
Very good. I really liked it.
Okay, likes.
Likes.
Ankush.
It's a like.
Of course, it's a lie.
Thank you so much, Tushar. Thank you.
I want to say कि टोपी उतारे.
Like her.
Oh,
नहीं, क्यों?
done. चल.
He's got 5 likes.
Divine. खतरनाक.
We're going to Priyam.
My choice, my color, boundless and free, exclamation mark, is a part of me, comma, I am just me, exclamation mark.
Let's play the video.
So many shades of life in me. You would only know if you'd ever peeped inside a galaxy. But alas, boy or a girl, लड़का है या लड़की है, क्या पहन रखा है? No shame, such a disgrace. ये सब तो होता ही रहता है. I see no he, I see no she. I'm just a plain canvas with strokes of colors chosen by me.
So is that all you got? You go big or stronger? You push.
Boundless and free. I see no color, I see no race, I see no labels. I see that you're just the same as me. I see no she, I see no he. Address me as the person, human you perceive to be.
Is that all you got?
Guys, I loved it. I loved it.
This is one of the best so far.
बहुत crisp video थी और बहुत clarity of thought. 100% image versus persona for me. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Especially that no labels, no nothing.
Yeah.
It was beautiful.
Goosebumps. Manish, the suit
Yes.
with the dupatta.
I loved
was,
it. So good.
Was it the best look?
I think मुझे पता है क्या लगा कि more than the best look, I loved the way she shot it.
Yeah.
And you know, this is what I meant. Her hair and makeup were on point.
Yeah.
On
And
point.
Santu added so
Even
much.
that day, even
Did
that
you see
day.
her nails?
Yeah,
Did you see her
yeah,
eyes?
yeah, yeah.
It's a white plain suit. but उसके साथ जो दुपट्टा and the way she shot it. I mean,
Writing.
that's a fashion influencer for sure.
Okay, going for it.
Insane.
Even the voice and the music together is...
Okay, the next person, creator, personality is Tanya. Okay, let's play. I'm playing in 3, 2, 1, and go.
Wrapped up in my chains with the sun gone. For years you told me not to sit under the sun because if my skin goes any darker, I fail in life. You told me not to eat that aloo ka paratha because if I get any fatter, I fail in life. You robbed me of my peace. You judged me for the amount of melanin I have in my skin and not for the amount of wisdom I have in my mind. You robbed me of my life. I did not fail you. You failed me. For I am a tigress who has earned her stripes. I am a goddess who rises above your stereotypes. You failed me and I won because this is who I am. A fighter, a survivor, and a freaking star.
के आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि देखिए दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट देयर बॉडी इश्यूज, द बॉडी इमेज एंड किस तरह सोसाइटी ने इनको फेल किया है एंड इनकी बॉडी पे कमेंट किया है, इनको बोला है अपने आप को छुपाओ, इनको बोला है ज़्यादा मत दिखाओ, एक बॉक्स में डाला जाता है लड़कियों को। एंड आई थिंक उस पर तानिया कंटेंट बना रही थी और उन्होंने बहुत हद तक बनाया भी है एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ डन अ गुड जॉब एंड आई फील लाइक वीओ थोड़ा सा बेटर हो सकता था।
Yes, I agree.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि फैशन में मैं और ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी।
आशना?
I'm also a little confused. मतलब I liked her message. वो
Okay.
जो बोलने की कोशिश करी थी, I really liked that. I felt कि she could have maybe added text instead of the voiceover if she feels that her voice is not
That's a great.
working. You know, because I feel कि sometimes text with music is also very impactful.
I agree.
जो कलर की बात की है ना इन्होंने, वो बहुत एक इम्पोर्टेंट।
यार देख, मेरा
वो जो
opinion
आलू
ये
पराठा
है।
भी बोला वो it was like
दिल को छू गया।
yeah.
मेरा
As
opinion ये
a
है।
girl, it really, I really connected with.
MM?
मुझे underwhelming लगा.
Okay.
You know, these are topics मैं बहुत सुन रहा हूँ ये आजकल. And I'm expecting newer things from them. So it was nice, but it was nice. I would put a like and nothing beyond.
Okay. I had so much expectations from her. मुझे रोना आ रहा है.
नहीं, इतना भी खराब नहीं. So अभी likes guys, likes के ऊपर ध्यान दो.
अंकुश.
No.
Whoa.
I don't want to like.
Okay, Ashna.
Thank you.
MM?
मैं actually topic के लिए उनको एक like दूँ.
Okay.
That's amazing. You got his like.
Good.
इस वीडियो से मुझे अपनी बॉडी के बारे में अच्छा लगा और जो भी इस वीडियो को देखेगा उनको अपने स्ट्रेच मार्क्स अपनी बॉडी के बारे में अच्छा
100%.
लगेगा। सो आई एम गोना गिव दैट अ लाइक।
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give a like. I'm gonna give a comment instead.
Saving my like for the next post.
For the next post. Oh!
I knew that I've underperformed.
Because I have so much expectation.
This is actually so motivating as
That's a
well.
good way of saying that you have it.
हाँ.
Yeah.
But this is not.
It is motivating.
She has
Yeah.
it. I
She
know
has
it.
it.
I know it. She has it.
Oh, she's typing. She's typing.
Fair enough, Santu. You're definitely giving it the next time. I'll make sure.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
That's cool.
I like this.
That's so
I
nice.
want her to make sure that I give her a like.
Yes.
Okay, let's go back to the Myntra studio.
Yes.
Okay, Myntra Studio Home पे से हम जाएंगे अभी जियान की तरफ.
Hashtags
Let's
on
watch
point.
it. Let's watch it.
Being an engineer student to a flight attendant to an influencer, how did I manage to do it? Sometimes I wonder myself too. Who am I? How do I want to be addressed? A poor little girl with her rich dream. a girl who's too afraid to face the reality of life? Would you ever risk traveling miles and miles to get some content only to prove your existence? Or would you rather give up? Give up? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. My mom never showed me how to give up. And because I never gave up, with every passing day, I see a better version of myself. I am an engineer of my own life, building my own foundation, an artist, a content creator, and your friendly fashion enthusiast.
I liked it. I kind of enjoyed it, and I thought that her messaging was good, and I like the way she started the entire.
I love
बहुत
the
अच्छी तरह से उन्होंने start किया.
I do find it inspirational, yes.
Yes, but I'm not
enough,
extremely impressed.
Gimmicky हो गया थोड़ा.
I was expecting so much, especially how it started.
Light पे जाऊँ?
Oh!
I'm gonna give it a like, of course.
We've liked it.
I think
we will hold back.
I'll hold back because
We
3
three
likes
liked
मिल
it.
चुके हैं.
You guys
I
can
think
hold
3 is good.
3 is good.
Miss Sepia को देखना चाहते हैं.
Let's do this.
Okay, वीडियो देखते हैं.
So Sepia, what's your style?
My style. My style has no boundaries. It is always evolving and it's not restricted. My outfits change as fast as my mood does. I am a fashion chameleon.
फैशन कमीलियन. मुझे बहुत सेफ लगा. मुझे लगा कि हाँ ये देखा है कि ऐसा कुछ कपड़े मैंने बहुत पहले गानों में भी बनाए हैं. Sequence dresses, you know. But creativity मुझे कम लगी.
I just felt like ऐसा content आजकल बहुत दिख रहा है
Correct, बहुत
social
दिख
media
रहा
पे.
Okay, likes.
I'll pass.
I'm not gonna give it a like.
It's a no for me. Are you liking?
देवांश का भी है.
मैं टेंशन नहीं ले रही. I really hope that I'm able to come up in the like board in the next task and show everything that I have because I really don't want to go home.
Let's go to the next one.
Let's
now.
go. Okay, cool. Adelina, we are starting with Adelina.
Okay.
Angela.
Okay, let me play the video.
हाँ वीडियो प्ले करो.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Always carries a smile around though. Do what makes you happy. Spread kindness wherever you go. Do you, do true, stay happy and smile. It doesn't take a while. Just like a beautiful mess, dress how you want to be addressed.
काफी सारी चीजें didn't work for me.
Okay.
And the caption also is very basic.
I like her smile very much.
Okay.
But for me it ended there. You know, I just felt कि और कुछ भी नहीं मुझे नजर आया.
कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा कि बहुत surface level था. And you know what?
बहुत generic है.
Despite saying this, I still have a lot of hope from her. पर अभी तो नहीं.
Anybody wants to comment?
Not sure.
मैं बातों नहीं बिल रहा हूँ तो मैं कुछ तो बोलूँ.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
Try being more authentic.
बहुत harsh था.
This is an attitude जो appreciate किया जाता है इस show पर. Taken it into account.
I think it's a great reply. I'll tell you as an audience when you're disappointed into something और अगर वो ढंग से reply ना करें ना, it can make or break the situation.
Okay, so guys, time for likes.
Content के basis पे मैं नहीं like करता, but the way this person has handled this.
Yes.
Ashna.
Content wise, no, not really. I'll wait for better.
Okay.
I'll wait for better.
मुझे हमेशा लाइफ में brutal feedback मिली है और वो बहुत जरूरी
I
होती
agree.
है.
I agree.
Okay, I'll pass this one.
अगली Sepia ही है भाई.
तो एक ही like मिला and I'm not very happy about it and मेरा दिल छोटा हो गया पर मैंने emotional मत करो अब मुझे.
We'll go back to the Myntra studio and go to Gina.
Let's see the video, right?
Yeah.
I was 12, diagnosed with tuberculoma in my brain, and my vocal cords got paralyzed. पर ना तभी रुकी ना अब रुकूंगी. क्या मैं मैं वो जीनी हूँ जिसने गिरने के बाद ही स्ट्रेंथ देखा? उनको क्या पता मैं पैदा ही शक्ति वुमेन हुई थी। #जीनी इज रिबॉर्न, हर पल को अपना बनाने वाली, हर एक दिन गिरगिट की तरह स्टाइल्स में ढलने वाली। That Genie who is transforming herself from being just a piece of creation to become her own creator. #GenieNess is my wife.
No, also when it started with a very serious problem I thought she's going to address. And then it went on to a very funny zone.
Very Bollywood. She did have something very serious and she did lose her vocal cords. So I think ये अपनी ज़िंदगी को अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से दिखा रही थी कि although I came from a place of darkness, it became really colorful for me later. And I think she's also an artist because मेरे हिसाब से सारी illustrations उन्होंने खुद करी हैं. Talent की कमी नहीं है, illustrations करी है, graphics interesting है.
Fashion ठीक था, बुरा नहीं था.
वीडियो क्या था?
हाँ, वीडियो बहुत, वो मैं आपसे I agree. स्टोरी में रस थी, वीडियो ठस थी.
स्टोरी में रस थी, वीडियो ठस थी.
Likes.
I'm gonna like it.
Okay guys.
Who's next?
Myntra Studio homepage से हम जा रहे हैं श्रवण की तरफ.
श्रवण.
Action. Cut. Good job.
Hi, meet Sam. He's smart, full of life, earns well too. कितना perfect sound करता है ना? Not really. चलिए आपको कुछ साल पीछे ले चलो. At the age of 17, he dropped out of school, left home to look for where he belongs. After making zillions of calls at the call center, he went back to check if he was still alive. सांसें चल रही थी और वो जिंदा था. थोड़ी हिम्मत की और दोबारा लाइफ को एक रीस्टार्ट दिया उसने. Despite being a nomad all his life, for the first time he felt like he belonged somewhere. But being a rebel, he could not be the part of the rat race. I don't want to limit myself to one identity when we can live 1,000 characters in one life.
To space.
I couldn't understand most of the voiceover.
The voiceover is completely flat.
अगर आप व्यू को भूल भी जाएं,
फिर भी नहीं.
Visually भी मेरे लिए वीडियो एक्साइटिंग नहीं है.
चलो
लाइक करते हैं मिस्टर अंकुश.
He's liking.
I think that's
3 out of
what-
5 is good.
Yeah.
So he knows.
Okay, we are going to Yukti. Okay guys, वीडियो देखते हैं. Action play कीजिए.
Let's play the video.
Whoa!
Stop! Just stop addressing me by the way I dress. I could be wearing anything and still be doing everything. Don't restrict me to a piece of clothing. I'm not what I wear. I am my education, my income, my opinion, the energy that I exude. I am Yukti. Address me by my name.
I love it, sis.
It's very 2008.
I've never heard this line.
It's 2000
and late.
Yes.
Good one.
I don't know what I was expecting. I would have swiped through.
But मेरा problem ये क्या है? The show is called Myntra Fashion Superstar, and the hashtag is My Clothes Don't Define Me. But आप एक fashion influencer बनना चाहती हैं. So to me there is a clash.
I don't want to comment.
It's a ulta question mark.
कुछ है नहीं बोलने को.
I just said that.
Influencer. That was to the point. Clothes don't define you and you want to be a fashion influencer.
You are Mr. Harsh.
What is harsh in it? I want to see a mindset. What is she trying to say?
Try it. Clothes define you.
Okay. That makes sense. I'm a fashion influencer, but coming from past history, I just wanted to convey that people should not be judged by what they wear.
I agree.
But missed fashion.
To work on it.
Yes, definitely.
Great.
Should we move to likes?
Wow, 1 like.
दो ही मिले मुझे दो ही मिले
So nobody else reacted also.
Guys, अब हम सब ने likes तो दे दिए हैं.
Correct.
Now let's collate the likes and look at the like board. Devansh, it's with 5 likes. Priyam is with 5 likes. Queen is with 5 likes.
So Devansh, Priyam and
Devansh,
Queen are
Priyam,
tying.
Ankit, Jinal and Samida with 4 likes. Then Shravan, Tanya and Zian are with 3 likes. And Sipya, Yukti and Adelina are with 1 like. So आपको लगता है कि ये M like जो है ये किसे जाना चाहिए? Guys, आप लोग इतने माहिर हो in content and you know you guys know what connects. But I just feel that we are talking about Myntra fashion superstar.
Correct.
So fashion is crucial. M like उसी को जाएगा जिसके लिए मुझे लगा fashion is beyond the point. One thing is on point, one thing is beyond the point. High impact matters.
So then who is it?
So, now you guys have seen your likes. And it's time for the game changer. The M like. The M like is important. It can take you up the like board. It can change your position from bottom to safe. So you guys must know how valuable M like is. Also, it's based on fashion. And that's key to being a fashion superstar, right? Well, it's time now to see who gets the first M like on Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3.
तो M like जाता है